In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a product to eBay with a Spreadsheet CSV. If you manage your product details in a spreadsheet, this method lets you move that data into eBay quickly and consistently. I'll walk you through the clicks you need to make and share a few tips so your file uploads smoothly the first time. Start on the eBay homepage. Once you're signed in, look toward the top of the page and click Sell. That opens the selling area where you manage your listings and tools. From there, head to your listings view and click Upload. This brings up eBay's bulk upload page that's designed to accept CSV files created from spreadsheets. On the upload page, click Choose File. A file picker will open on your computer. Select the CSV you've prepared for your product and confirm. eBay will begin reading the file and checking the columns against what it expects. To make that choose file action work flawlessly, a little preparation goes a long way. Save your spreadsheet as a TCSV file using your spreadsheet app standard Save As or Export option, and choose a UTF-8 encoding if you see that setting. Keep one product per row. Use clear, consistent headers that match eBay's template or documentation so the system knows what each column means. Typical columns include things like title, category, price, quantity, condition, description, and one or more image URL fields. Keep numbers as plain numbers without currency symbols and use a period for decimals. For text that might include commas, your spreadsheet will handle the quoting automatically when saving as CSV. If you reference shipping, payment, or return policies by name, make sure those names exactly match the policies already set up in your account. For images, use full, publicly accessible URLs so eBay can fetch them. If you have variations, include the appropriate variation columns exactly as specified by eBay's format. After you've chosen the file, eBay may display a preview or validation messages. Read any notes carefully. They'll point to the exact row and column that need attention. If something needs fixing, update your spreadsheet, save it again as a CSV, return to the upload page, and click Choose File to select the corrected version. That's all there is to it. Click Sell, click Upload, and click Choose File to hand your CSV to eBay. With a clean file, the process is fast, accurate, and repeatable, especially when you maintain the same headers and formatting each time. Thanks for watching, and enjoy streamlining your listings with CSV uploads.